Have you ever ordered for something online and got something completely and entirely different? Getting for a wide ride because I'm about to share with you what I ordered versus what I got.
Oh my
So we
god.
have varieties of online shopping platforms or e-commerce platforms all over the world, ranging from the local ones we have right here in our country, Nigeria, and the international ones, which are the ones that do not exist within Nigeria. So for the locally online shopping platforms, we have ranges from Jumia, we have Gigi, we have Konga, and we also have slots. So for the international aspect, we have online shopping platforms like Amazon, we have AliExpress, and we have Temu. I've actually had an experience with AliExpress. I've ordered from their website, and to be sincere and honest with you, I always get exactly what I order from AliExpress. But most times, collecting your package or what you ordered for could be stressful, but that was not the reason why I stopped ordering from them. So I've been hearing of this popular online shopping platform or e-commerce platform, which I know that most Nigerians have heard of. Even if you've not had any experience with them, we have heard of it. So it's no other app than Temu. So Temu is an online shopping platform or an e-commerce platform that allow users to purchase or buy products directly from manufacturers or suppliers, and is always at discounted prices. So I decided to actually give Temu a try, and I've actually ordered from Temu. So today's video, I just want to show you all I've ordered from Temu so far, and also what I got at the end of the day. So it's more like a what I ordered versus what I got. So that is all I'll be showing you all in today's video. And everything that I'll be showing you that I ordered are actually coming from Temu, because I'll be getting a screenshot from their website and also giving you all a picture or a video of what I got, or when it got to me, what it looked like. So you're going to be judging in this video if they're actually the same thing, because my experience with them is what we're about to find out in today's video. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Lushke here. So it's actually me trying to give you all a review of what I ordered and also what I got on Temu. So the first one I have on the list is actually a beautiful dress which is red in color that I saw on the website. So this is it right here on the website, and you can actually see the dress right here on the model. So this is what it looks like. Okay, this is the fit. It arrived here in Nigeria. When it comes to quality, I'm going to give this a 6. Okay, let's give it a 7 because I'm
Wow.
actually a tailor. So when I felt the quality, I was like, okay, this is not bad. Then when it comes to the fitting, over 10, I'm going to give this a 9.5 because it was actually, it banged. Let me just use the word it banged. So it was really nice. It was not actually for me. This particular one was for my sister, and you can see that is exactly what I ordered and also what I got. So this in general, I'll be giving it 9.5 over 10. Second one we have on the list is actually the Kawaii cat bottle. So this is what it looks like on the website, and this is what it looks like when it got here to us in Nigeria. So this same order is also coming from my sister, though one had a crack actually, but we actually know what to do about that later. And this is how it came. It's actually a what I ordered versus what I got, and it's exactly the same, but the measurement and everything. So over 10, over 10, I'll be giving this a 9.5 also, because you know that the remaining 5 is for me. It goes to me, right? So the third one I have on the list here is a space-saving 12 hook rotating hanger, and it's suitable for ties, underwear, and etc. etc. So this is what it looks like on the website. You can see the image here. They're actually using it to show you that you use it in hanging stuffs like lightweight clothes, not those heavy clothes, okay? White lightweight clothes and all of that. And this is what it looks like when it got to me. You can see right here, and it's actually exactly as I saw it on their website. So over 10, okay, I'm giving this a 9.8 approximately. You know what it is. So the first one we have on the list is an automatic squeezing device. So we know this thing where you actually insert your toothpaste device. Actually, when you don't want to go through that whole manual process of squeezing out your toothpaste by yourself onto your toothbrush, you just press, you can see it on this video here. It presses, like you press your toothbrush on that button there, and your toothpaste actually comes out on its own. But it wasn't coming out in full. It was just giving us drops of toothpaste, more like we're economizing. It's helping us to economize the toothpaste usage in this house, because why are you coming out so small? Why are you coming out so little? So for me, I'm going to give this particular one a 5 because my annoyance is that why is it dropping in drops, in droplets? So I do not like it. I do not buy the idea of this. I was thinking that it's something that you can use and your toothbrush will be entirely filled up with toothpaste. So this is it on the website, and this is what it looks like. This is a picture and also a video attached at the side as well. So I'm giving it a 5 because it wasn't really giving us exactly what we wanted. So the fifth one or the sixth one, I've really lost count on the list is elegant cute heart pendant. So it also has a rhinestone. So this was it on the website, and this is it when it got to us. So these four orders I just listed are for my sister. So these are the ones my sister got, and you can see it is perfect. So that gingered me to now place my order. So the first order I have is this black chick purse, which actually has other colors. It's not just one. So this is it on the website, and this is it when it got to me and when I was unpacking it or unboxing it. Okay, so I'm going to give this, but the leather, no. The leather quality, I do not like it. So I actually have a video on these exact reviews on my channel. The link to this video will be in the description box in case you just want to see the review from when I placed the order to when I went to when I got the message from the man to come and take my parcel, to when I went there, to everything is just there. But here I'm just showing you a picture. I'm just showing you what I ordered versus what I got. So for this, the size was quite smaller than I thought. The quality, I didn't like it at all. It was so light. It's more like inferior. So I'll give it a 5 over 10 because at the end of the day, it was exactly what I saw on the website and it's exactly what I got, as you can see it right here. So the next one, which is the seventh or eighth, I do not know, is a 22-piece fashion ring set. So this came exactly, no addition, no subtraction. It was exactly as it was seen on the website, and this is when it got to me. Perfect. And I really loved it. I'll be giving this a 9.5 as well. Of course, you know what 9.5 means. Is actually very, very good. So the next one we have is the 6-piece new luxury fashionable women's watch set. So this actually came with an earring, it came with a necklace, it came with a bangle, and it also came with a wristwatch. And everything here in total, when I bought it, was around 5,000 something. And this is it on the website, and this is it when it got to me. I actually made a video on that in case you just want to have a detailed unboxing or unpackaging of all these items. Then the next one was the BEEKIN wireless lavalier clip-on microphone. Sorry, I almost removed this from my mouth. So this microphone you see right here is actually coming from me from Temu as well. And this is what it looks like. So this mic it's also coming from Temu, just like I said. And it is 2 in 1. It has a type C. It has this fluffy stuff right here, which I can still replace or actually make use of the other foam. So you all judge. I already made mention of you all rating this my microphone sound on a scale of 1 to 10 in my other videos, but nobody actually rated it for me, but it's still fine. I'm also using this opportunity to plead, please, how nice was this sound? Because left for me, I would say that it's okay. But to you that is listening to me, please, and please, just tell me how nice. Just you can drop, okay, over 10, you can just drop 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't even need to, if you don't have strength to comment, just drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Like, just drop it. With that alone, I know how to rate it to know if, because I'll be definitely getting another microphone. Yes, there's another type of microphone to get. So let me know, let me know if it is something I can do. So that is it. And in everything that we've ordered so far, if I'm to rate everything over 10, I'll actually give everything a 9.5 because kudos to Temu. Temu is actually that app that I was initially scared of ordering from because of the reviews that people actually drop. And this is because they do not actually follow these necessary steps, which is one, they do not read product descriptions carefully, and number two, they do not check seller ratings and reviews. You have to go to reviews, you have to check people that have actually patronized this particular seller on this website, you need to know what they have to say about the seller. And number three is that they do not verify shipping timelines. Number four is that most people don't understand the return policy and they don't read it at all. Fifth one or the fourth one is for you to use a secure payment method. So all these things is actually something that is easy. It's not difficult. It's not hard to do. And to be honest with you, please, when you actually order for something online, if you actually got a very nice product or exactly what you ordered, please do not go ahead to spoil other people's business. Honestly, even within Nigeria here, for example, if what you got is actually nice, is not difficult. It's not a hard task to say that this product I got was nice and I really love it. You understand? Because me, even when I sew clothes for people and I will bill it to them. I ask for reviews, and at the end of the day, they give me their reviews. Whether it's good, whether it's bad, nobody is perfect. My bad reviews actually makes me improve in the areas where I have shortcomings, right? So please, thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you've actually shopped on Temu before, please try to tell us your story or your experience in the comments, because these are things I really love reading. And if I yet to order from Temu, just hold still, because I'll be dropping a video from the scratch, because I'm about to place another order. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you all the step-by-step guide. We are going to be ordering for a product together. I'll show you the things I need to take note of, and also in order for you not to make mistakes and all of that. Thank you for sticking with me today. I really appreciate all of that. I hope you subscribe to this channel so that you can see more updates on this. And also, don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really do appreciate that. I'll see you next time on the same channel. Have a lovely time ahead of you. Bye.